4 класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Развлечения во Флориде. Страница 133, 134, 135, 136. English. Spotlight 4. Homework. Florida fun. Page number 133, 134, 135, 136. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly, it's terrible. Don't be silly. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 133. 133. Florida fun. Spotlight on the USA. Exercise number 1. Read and match to the captions to the pictures. Развлечения во Флориде. Прочитайте и соотнесите подписи и картинки. The answer. Sunny, sandy beaches. Water sports for all the family. Interesting wildlife. The world's greatest fun park. Rest, sandy. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Where do people go on holiday in your country? What can they see and do there? Talk with your friend. Куда ездят люди на отдых в нашей стране? Что они могут там увидеть и чем могут заниматься? Поговори с одноклассником. The answer. People often go to the seaside. They can see sunny, sandy beaches and interesting animals and plants. They can have a lot of fun. They can swim and lie in the sun. They can have a rest. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 134. 134. Now I know. Vocabulary. Exercise number 1. Look, read and match. Теперь я знаю. Словарик. Vocabulary. Посмотри, прочитай, соотнеси картинки и предложения. The answer. You wear this when you walk up in the mountains. Boots. Girls wear this when they swim. A swimsuit. You can swim faster with these. Flippers. You can sleep in it. A sleeping bag. We wear these over our eyes when it's sunny. Sunglasses. Boys wear these when they swim. Swimming trunks. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2, grammar. Read and match. Грамматика. Прочитайте и сопоставьте с правильным вариантом. The answer. Mike is very hungry. He's going to make a pizza. Jim wants to buy some biscuits. He's going to go the supermarket. Alice likes sports. She's going to play soccer in the park. Fiona is going to the baker's. She's going to buy some bread. Jeff is going to the mountains. He is going to go climbing. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 135. 135. Exercise number 3. What will the weather be like tomorrow? Look and write. Какая будет завтра погода? Посмотрите и напишите. The answer. It will be cold in Moscow tomorrow. It will be cloudy in Rome. It will be rainy in Paris tomorrow. It will be hot in Cairo tomorrow. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Communication. Read and match. Прочитайте и сопоставьте. The answer. Dear Tom, thank you for your letter. I am very happy too, because I am going to travel to Spain. I am going to go camping. Love, Anna. Boys and girls, do the task. Now I can. Теперь я умею. Name holiday items. Talk about holiday plans. Ask and answer questions. Talk about countries. Write a letter about my holidays. Talk about the weather. The answer. Talk about holiday plans. Summer is my favorite season. In summer, the weather is great and you don't have to go to school. I am going to enjoy my summer holidays. I have a lot of plans to them. I will go fishing, sunbathing, swimming, horse riding, and playing football. I am going to help my grandparents about the garden. I hope that the summer will be the best in my life. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 136. 136. Arthur plus Rascal. Артур и Раскал. Start. What's the name of Wolfie's father? Brutus is Wolfie's father. Mr. Tom. Is Cookie a cat or a dog? Cookie is a dog. Go back 2 squares. Which food does Rascal hate? Rascal hates sushi. Mr. Tom. Who sells hot dogs in the park? Cookie's owner sells hot dogs in the park. Go forward 3 squares. What's Rascal's favorite program? Scooby-Doo is Rascal's favorite program. Take an extra tone. Who has kittens? Trixie has kittens. Who eats all the cookies on Valentine's Day? Rascal eats all cookies on Valentine's Day. Finish. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.